What's going on, guys? So it is gun season here in Kentucky, so we are about to head down to the cabin and see if we can't knock something down on the ground. Getting ready to head down here in a minute and check cameras and stuff like that and get ready for the morning hunt. We're going to try to stay in all day, but it's going to be 23 degrees when we get to stand in the morning, so it's going to be pretty dang cold. So I invested in some new bib overalls. Got me some new storage stuff. Got my Plano boxes. Got me a good one for my clothes, my gun. We're pretty much ready to rock. Got everything washed, descended. Ammo is in the box. We're ready to make something happen with the old 30-06. So I'm pretty jacked up. But yeah, so here we go. The essentials. Ready to head on to the cabin. Alright, we are here. I can go up here and get the gate key real quick. Get this thing unlocked and get in the house and get warmed up. Alright guys, we're out here in the back of the barn now, get the four-wheeler warmed up. We're gonna go down here, pull the cord on my camera, put some corn and Big&J out, be ready for that morning hunt. It is it's getting real cold real quick. It's already like 33 degrees right now. It's gonna be 23 in the morning when I get to stand, so it's gonna be a cold morning, but they should be up and moving, so hopefully something walks out pretty quick and we can get something on the ground. But yeah, we're gonna go out here, pull the cord, get all that stuff ready to go, and yeah, I'm excited, boys and girls. It's that time of year. I've been waiting to get the old 30-06 out and let her sing a little bit. So hopefully we can make that happen in the morning. So, yeah, so we got the Big&J. Ended up getting some corn. We're gonna go do that real quick, and then we're gonna get in here, warm up, and see what we got on trail camera. Alright. Pull this card. We're just gonna leave this here and we'll put the card back tomorrow. Got that. Got our corn and Big&J out. We're ready to go, y'all. I made a mock scrape over here. There's the blind. We're ready to rock and roll. Alright. Back at the cabin. It is stupid cold, y'all. I'm telling you what. I just hope they're moving in the morning. I should be, I'd imagine. It's been way too hot here recently for them not to be moving. It's bound to happen. So get in here, get warmed up, crack me a cold Mountain Dew, and actually maybe some hot chocolate. That sounds good too. Get in here and check this cord and see what we got. All right, guys. Well, check trail camera. We got a couple good does coming in consistently. Had a couple pictures of one of our target bucks. I'm sitting here getting ready to watch Nick Munt lay one down, get myself hyped up. Oh yeah.
Boone City. All day long. Unbelievable. Biggest buck of my life.
Get myself hyped up. But I think it's gonna be a really good morning. It's gonna be 23 degrees. It's gonna be real cold. So that's the coldest weather I've hunted in a long time. So
I can't believe it.
But yeah, so we got a couple of good ones on trail camera. Hopefully something walks out in the morning. And we're gonna try and make something happen. So I'm gonna get me some sleep, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Morning, y'all. So got a couple of things I gotta do this morning before we go to the woods. We got about an hour before the sun comes up, so ended up bringing the Tacticam with me. We've got a scope mount for it, so I'm gonna see if I can't get that rigged up real quick to where I can video when we try to shoot something, since I'm down here by myself. So I'm gonna get that done real quick, throw some warm clothes on, and head to the woods. Hopefully we get an opportunity to knock something down. So here we go. All right, we got the old Ruger American 30-06. That looks sweet. I think that's gonna work out pretty perfect right there. All right, well, now we just gotta have something to step out to get on camera. Sounds like rush hour out here with everybody driving four-wheelers up and down the road going to their stand. It's deer season, boys. Time to make something happen. Time to make something happen. It's cold, y'all. I haven't seen anything yet, but there's a ton of blue jays out here. I've never seen this many blue jays in my life. Like, at one time over here, there were 6 of them eating on this corn pile. So it's pretty neat to see. They're not thick like this around Kentucky, so it's pretty cool to see that. It sounds like World War III though around me though. I'm hearing tons of gunshots, so that's got to mean they're moving. So it can happen at any minute. So we're gonna sit here and be patient, try to stay warm, and probably go back around lunchtime, warm up, fix a sandwich, and then go back this afternoon. And if we don't get anything this morning, try to get one this evening. So we're gonna hang tight for a little while and then see what happens. The deer movement has been good. Seen 7 so far, so It's pretty good. We had a shot at this one that was pretty close right here, but I kind of let it pass. It's early. We'll see more deer. So, but yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about this weather. It's perfect for them. So I think tonight will be really good too, because that's when I'm seeing more of the deer movement on camera, anyways, in the field. So we've really only had a shot at one deer. All the other ones have been walking across the edge of the woods, about 35, 40 yards up in the woods. And I'm just kind of watching them go, and then that little 4-point walked across the back corner, just kind of cutting the corner of the field. But yeah, so plenty of deer movement. It's exciting, finally getting to see some deer. So it's been a really good hunt this morning. I'm probably gonna sit in here another 20 or 30 minutes and then get down, because I forgot my hand warmers, and it's cold. It's 36 degrees right now. It feels like 29 because it's an 11-mile-an-hour wind right now. And as you can see, the whole thing is tore up here. This blind that me and Joshua actually hunted in out last year, and Joshua killed his first deer. I guess the winter storms and stuff tore it up really bad, because the whole roof is ripped on it and everything. So we're gonna have to buy us a new one for it. But yeah, anyways, I'm excited. It's looking good. So I'm gonna sit tight for a couple more minutes and probably get down and go warm up. So here we go. All right, we're gonna head on back to the cabin and get warmed up. Saw a lot of good deer movement this morning, so it's promising for this evening. So I'm gonna go back and get a cup of hot chocolate and warm up, and then be ready for this evening's hunt. So here we go. Alright, we're back at the cabin now, just chilling out, getting warm back up. Got some hot chocolate here, and just gonna relax, watch some Monster Bucks, get my phone recharged, and get myself recharged, and then be ready to rock and roll. So, here we go.
Some trash on. What a beast. I didn't know what to say, to be honest with you.
Just making our way looking for the right one.
Alright, y'all. We're ready to rock and roll for the evening hunt. Got everything together, and we'll have about 3.5 hours before it gets dark, so see if we can make something happen. Well, that's not really what I was expecting to see. Son of a buck. There's 2 of them. I'm like extremely pissed off right now, because like it's gonna be a perfect evening, and I've got 2 random dogs walking around in the field. And I called my grandfather, and he has no idea who owns them. So that's aggravating. Alright, well, these dogs keep coming back in the field, so this hunt is pretty much ruined unless I move stands. So it's like every 10 or 15 minutes they just walk right back in here. So I don't know whose dogs they are, but I just texted my uncle and asked him if I can run down to his stand that has the other field. So he said that's fine. I'm gonna go do that, and we won't have as long of a hunt, but hopefully we can have something come in right before dark and maybe get a shot at something. So here we go. Made the walk over here to this field, and now we're in the stand. Hopefully we'll have one come out before dark. We got about 2.5, 3 hours of light, so we got plenty of time to get settled in here and let something happen. So my uncle hunted here Saturday, and he saw 3 does, and one of our shooters that we have on trail camera, he came out and he passed on him, which, I don't know, if he walks up in front of me, I'm shooting him for sure. He's a super wide 10-pointer. His tines aren't super tall, but he's got a bunch of junk on him. He's pretty cool looking, so if he walks out, I'm definitely going to lay the hammer down on him. So I'm excited. Hopes are high. So see if we can make something happen now. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because I got a pretty long walk back to the 4-wheeler. So, pretty uneventful evening. Them dogs really screwed the whole thing up because I was pretty sure that we would see a doe this evening in the other field, because on trail camera we had one that was consistently coming like every evening about the same time, which is about right now. But it is what it is. I mean, I don't really know where they came from or whose they are, but they really kind of blew the hunt up, and I got away from them to get in this stand, so maybe they wouldn't come over here. They didn't, but you know, if I had stayed in the other stand, I don't think it would have happened, because I can still hear them howling and barking and carrying on off in the holler where that field is. So aggravating, but you know, it's all good. We got another week and a half to 2 weeks of gun season left, so we'll try to make something happen here soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and get down and walk back to the 4-wheeler. I gotta go on home tonight. I was out hunting in the morning, but got husband duties to do when I get home, so we're gonna have to cut the hunt short, but it's all good. So I'll go home and see that little baby and my wife and give them kisses and cuddle up and get some good sleep at home. So yeah, we're gonna hop on down and head back to the 4-wheeler. Alright guys, well, that wraps up this hunt. Couldn't make it happen. We could have shot that little doe, but I let it pass. It's pretty young, so there'll be plenty of other opportunities. So I'm excited. Got to see some. There was some good action this morning, and that was fun to see. So we're gonna get this gate locked up and head on home. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.